Hey YouTube, what's going on? I hope you're doing okay. Today we have a Libyan meal from the Libyan cuisine. It's one of the most common and traditional dishes on the Libyan kitchen. Basically, it's a pasta with meat, but it's very delicious. It's very common in the Libyan culture. We call it Mbakbaka Mbakbaka. Basically, it's a pasta with meat or chicken and full with the flavor. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification. Without no further delay, let's get started. First of all, we need to add some cooking oil. Then we will add a full onion cut to the medium or small. All of this on a medium heat. Then we will add some salt. Then we add the lamb meat. It's depend on you how much that you're gonna use and what kind of meat that you will gonna use. You can use beef, you can use chicken, it's depend on you. After that, we will add 2 spoons of tomato paste. We leave it in a low heat and keep moving it together to mix it together with the onion and the meat. Then I will add some chili paprika, about a teaspoon. Then I will add a teaspoon of turmeric or curcum. We Libyan call it bzar. Then we add the water to it and let it boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then I will add a fresh pepper to it. After that, we add the pasta. I will use here 500 grams of pasta. You can choose the different kinds of pasta. What type of pasta do you like to eat? We cook the pasta as we like. And this is the final look for our meal today. We call it Mbakbaka Mbakbaka Libya. Basically, it's a pasta with meat and sauce. It's very full with flavors. It's very delicious, and I'm sure you will like. So don't forget to leave a like, leave us a comment below if you tried or you have you ever tried before. And subscribe and turn on the notification for more. See you guys in another video.